Whether you believe in global warming or not, one thing's for sure, NEMO was a wicked nor'easter. NEMO was a powerful winter storm that developed from the combination of two areas of low pressure over New England. The monster storm, which started before daybreak on Friday, February 8th, dumped more than 2 feet of snow on Kennebunk before it moved offshore on Saturday afternoon. At the height of the storm, 50-mile-per-hour winds whipped snow into near whiteout conditions. As good fortune would have it, the town braved the storm with only minor damage and few power outages. Snow removal and cleanup will continue for some time, with piles 10 or more feet high common throughout the region. And while areas along the water are facing some repairs, officials said there were only minor accidents on the roadways. By Saturday night, town residents who had been cooped up for over 24 hours emerged to a beautiful sunset. Sunday morning dawned with crisp air and clear skies, a picture-perfect day for venturing outdoors, helping neighbors dig out, and conjuring up survival stories of the blizzard of 2013. Kennebunk TV, telling the story of a great community that is making a difference.